Welcome to Whiton Hall, a shared living experience just one block from the Commons. This is a Victorian-era mansion that has been subdivided into individually rented units. Each tenant has their own private room, and there are communal bathrooms and a communal kitchen and lounge area on each floor. Today we're going to see apartment 204. Let's head on in. Each room in Whiton Hall has 5 pieces of furniture: a desk and desk chair, a full-size bed, a bookshelf, and a dresser. Each room also has a mini refrigerator and a microwave, as well as plenty of closet space. One unique feature of Whiton Hall is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. Room 204 features tall ceilings and 3 large south-facing windows that let in lots of natural light, even on a cloudy day. We'll finish with the bathroom. Whiton 204 is unique in this building for having its own private half bath with a sink and toilet. Rent for Whiton Hall includes all utilities: heat, water, trash and recycling fees, electricity, even the internet. Thank you for coming to Whiton Hall 204. Call us today for availability.